talk about the illegal betting app case. What has now been said that cricketer Suresh Raina has now been summoned by the Enforcement Directorate in probe into online betting platforms. As far as when it comes to this ED office in Delhi, what has now been said that Suresh Raina has now been summoned before the agency. Let's get in a word from Bhavtosh. Bhavtosh, good morning. Suresh Raina has been summoned for questioning. What is the case all about?
Good morning, Amita. This case, in fact, involves several of the illegal betting app, and he has been asked to join the investigation. He will be coming at around 11 a.m. As far as this particular illegal betting app is concerned, this goes by the name of 1xBet. What ED has said is that many of the celebrities, including former cricketers, have endorsed.
Yes, immediate details were not available as far as when it comes to on the possible line of questioning to the former Team India cricketer. But Suresh Raina, as far as what we are getting to know the details, the ED has been following various threads in multiple cities as part of a wider probe into online platforms that are duping viewers and also laundering money. In connection to illegal betting apps, we are told that the former cricketer, has now been summoned by the agency to present himself before the agency in the national capital, where he's been asked to appear before them for questioning. Well, this is a development that we are getting to know as far as Suresh Raina is concerned. What has now been said as far as this case is concerned, not immediate. More details that are available, but as far as the ongoing probe into illegal betting platform is concerned, cricketer Suresh Raina has been summoned by the Enforcement Directorate. Now let's move on now and